Good morning. Come on, my dear students. I am Anvaraj, social science teacher, RV Metric Higher Secondary School, Melur. In this session, we are going to study about the Indus civilization. The Indus civilization, also known as Harappan civilization, covers an area of over 1.5 million square kilometers in India and Pakistan. Sudga Jendor in the west on Pakistan, Iran border, Sotukai in North Alamkirpur, in the east, and Daimabad in the south are the boundaries within which the Harappan culture has been found. Its main concentration is in the region of Gujarat, Pakistan, Rajasthan, and Haryana. Next, we should know about planned towns, features of the Indus civilization. Planned towns: Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Lothal, Banawali, Rakhigarhi, and Sugartoda are the major cities of the Indus civilization. Fortification structures well planned streets and lanes and drainages can be observed in the Harappan towns. The Harappans used baked and unbaked bricks and stones for constructions. Here, baked means dry heated. The Harappan had a civic authority, perhaps controlled the planning of the towns. A civic authority perhaps controlled the planning of the towns. A few of the houses had more than one floor. A few of the houses had more than one floor. The tank called the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure of the civilization. The civilization cities paved with several adjacent rooms. Adjacent means formed next to one the same side of the straight line. Some unearthed structures have been identified as granary. We do not know about the nature of the state or political organization of the Harappans, but they must have had a political organization at the level of an early form of state. The Harappan city found a male image from Mohenjo-daro has been identified as priest king. A male image from Mohenjo-daro has been identified as a priest king, but we do not know about the accuracy of the interpretation. Interpretation means an explanation or way of explaining. Nextly, we should know the agriculture and animal domestication of the Indus civilization. The Harappans practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley, and various types of millets. They adopted a double cropping system. Pastoralism was also known to them. They rear cattle. They rear cattle, sheep, and goats. Here, reared means bring up and care for until the animal are fully grown. Okay. They had knowledge of various animals, including elephants, but not use horses. The Harappan cattle are called Zebu, and it is a large breed. Often represented in the seals. Nextly, we should knowing about the pottery system of the Harappans civilization. The Harappans used painted pottery. The pottery is how a deep red slip and block paintings. The pottery has a shape like a dish on stands, storage jars, perforated jars, goblets, S-shaped jars, plates, dishes, bowls, and pots. The painted motifs generally noticed on the pottery. Here, motifs means a decorative image or a design. Refers the word motifs. The painted motifs generally noticed on the pottery depict pipal tree leaves. Fish scale designs, intersecting circles, zigzag lines, horizontal bands, and geometrical motifs, and floral and fauna. Nextly, we should knowing about the metal tools and weapons of the Harappan civilization. The Harappans used chet blades. Chet means a hard, dark, opaque rock composed of a silica. The Harappans used chet blades, copper objects, and bone and ivory tools. The Harappan people used chet blades, copper objects, and bone and ivory.
They did not possess knowledge about iron.
The tools and equipment such as points, chisels, needles, fish hooks, razors, wine pans, mirror, and antimony rods. Antimony means a brittle, silvery white metalloid. A, bright, a brittle, silvery white metalloid. Refers the chisel. The chisels made out of rory chat were used by the Harappans. Their weapons include arrows, spears, a chisel-bladed tool, and axe. The bronze image of dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro is suggestive of the use of lost wax presses. Rory chat refers to the chat raw material collected from Rory in Pakistan. It was used by the Harappans for making blades. The Rory chat was used by the Harappans for making blades. The Harappans used both stone and bronze tools. Nextly, we should knowing about the textiles and ornaments of the Harappan civilization. The Harappans used metal and stone ornaments. They had knowledge of cotton and silk textiles. They made carnelian. Carnelian means a semi-precious stone consisting of a dull red color. Copper and gold ornaments also they used. Fines. Fines means ceramic beads and small objects. Fines means ceramic beads and small objects. Fines, stoneware and shell bangles were also used by the Harappan people. Some of them had edged designs, and Harappans exported them to the Mesopotamia. Nextly, we should knowing about the trade and exchange of the Harappan civilization. The Harappans had close trade links with the Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq, and Iran. Harappan seals have been found in West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq, and Iran. The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contacts between the Mesopotamia and Harappans. The mention of Meluha in the cuneiform inscriptions is considered to refer the Indus regions. Nextly, whites and measures of the Harappan civilization. Weights and measures. The Harappans developed a system of proper weights measure since they engaged in commercial transactions. They needed standard measures. The cubical chest weights are found at the Harappan sites. The copper plates for weighing balance have also been found. The weights point to their knowledge of the binary system. Binary means a system numerical notation that has two rathers than 10 as a base. Binary means a system numerical notation that has two rather than 10 as a base. Okay. The ratio of weighing is doubled as 1:2, 4:8, 16:32. Nextly, seals and sealings and scripts of the Indus civilization. The seals from various media such as static, copper, terracotta, and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. Here, steatite means the mineral talc occurring in the consolidated form hope scotches. Terracotta means a type of earthenware. Is clay based and glazed resemble. The Harappan scripts is not yet disappeared. Disappear means understanding too difficult or interpreting. The Harappan script is not yet deciphered. About 5,000 texts have been documented from the Harappan sites. Some scholars are the view that the script is in a Dravidian language. Okay, students, thank you. Study the subject materials carefully and understand the subject matters. We will meet the next session. Thank you, students. Thanks a lot.